In this video,
We will learn how to show FPS in Fortnite.
in order to show your FPS or frames per second in Fortnite, you need to turn on a certain setting in your settings menu. In order to do that, click on the profile button from the top left hand side of your screen. From here, go to the settings menu. After that, scroll down until you find the advanced graphics options. From here, you will find the show FPS settings. You need to toggle it on. Hit apply, then go back to the main menu. Now from the bottom left hand side, you'll see that the FPS is showing, and it'll also show in game on the top right hand side. Now we'll check it out. So after getting into the game, you can see that my frames per second is being shown on the top right hand side screen beside the map. So this is how you can easily enable your frames per second in game and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.